Okay, hi, I'm Mark HANSFORD, editor and new civil engineer. We're here at SenSat's HQ. SenSat was the winner of our Startup of the Year competition at this year's TechFest. SenSat is a fantastic company which does amazing things with turning the physical world into the digital world. And tonight they are launching their brand new map product.
Yeah, so we're a tech startup based here in London, in Moorgate, and what we're doing is helping construction actually get better real-time information on their sites. We do that partly by using drones to actually create digital replicas of the sites themselves. We're pretty much breaking the model with how drones are used at the moment. We focus on big infrastructure. We've covered about $2.5 billion in projects the last 2 years. And really we're a bit different because we're focusing on the really large scale. We fly autonomous fixed-wing drones. They fly about 300 kilometers in a day back and forth. You can have point clouds of any size, actually 3D models and visualizations of your site. We can click to measure on demand, so we can measure things without actually having to visit site physically. And then I think quite key, we're actually able to integrate live construction data and also CAD designs as well.
The thing that we're really proud of is that we're now able to gather data which would previously have taken teams of surveyors weeks and potentially months to capture that type of data to that type of accuracy. For us, that we're really proud of that because it means that we can reduce project cost and time and reduce the amount of people working on busy motorways. So the critical bit when you're producing all this data is what do you do with it? How do you allow people to access it, interact with it? And that's where our product Map comes in, which is what we're celebrating the launch of tonight. With Map, it's a cloud platform. You can interact, you can access it from anywhere in the world. So on your iPad, on your phone, whilst on site. Once you log in, you can then view your model. You can then aggregate other types of data into it. So you're building up this 3D asset model, as I like to call it. We can take it one step further and introduce live data into it using IoT sensors, Internet of Things sensors, measuring pollution, air quality, sound, water drainage.
We just recently completed a 30-kilometer scan of the M27 Smart Motorways program. That took 2.5 days. Not even setting foot on the motorway once in 2.5 days to capture that amount of data. It's just kind of mind-blowing in terms of how we can get there. It's quite hard to break technology into construction. I don't think that's a myth. I think people understand that. So actually partnering with the likes of New Civil Engineer to actually get an audience is very, very important for the young technology startups which are coming through. We got involved in TechFest pretty much for that reason, and we were really pleasantly surprised that actually when we went there, we had probably about 120 of the most senior people in construction itself.
TechFest was a really important landmark within the infrastructure industry. It plays a very important role bringing people from traditional industry of infrastructure and technology together to actually inspire the industry to look at new ways of working, delivering new solutions to our customers to solve some of their greatest challenges.
When you're building a business and building a product, it's very easy to sit in an office, build a product that you think that people want. When you're then able to go to an event such as TechFest and you're able to get external accreditation and sort of confirmation from the market that you're trying to sell to, the industry that you're trying to sell to, that your product is a good product, for us that's so valuable.
We've had some great engagements from the back of that with some of the likes of the tier ones, looking to use this on the major projects, which is really where they see the biggest impact of this kind of technology coming through.
I think the most important thing for organisations that are wanting to enter TechFest is actually to really understand how technology can make things safer, can deliver things quicker, and actually can improve lives. So infrastructure has a really important role in society. The awards had some excitement for the end of the day, and it was a really good celebration, something that everyone should be part of.